Hi everyone, this is Ritesh. I am founder and managing director of Into Wellness Private Limited. This series is about starting and running a gym successfully. We hope that you all will like this series. We really feel that more and more people should consider fitness as a big business opportunity and enter into this industry. So how you want to raise the funds? So one way of doing it is you take your own funds and do it. Second way is you approach a bank. So if you have to approach a bank, there are a few things that you have to consider. The first thing is the bank will obviously ask for mortgage. Mortgage is a flat or a property against which you can take a loan from the bank. The bank would first need the mortgage, and then there is a concept of CMA data and the cash flows and the financial projections for next at least 3 years. So all this data you have to give to the bank will check your CIBIL score, and you also have to submit the signed and stamped copies of the quotations that you get from all the vendors, suppliers. All this data you have to give, and then the bank will process. So for processing the loan, maybe their lead time would be anywhere between 20 to 25 days that you have to consider. The next point is, now if you are planning to come out with your own gym brand, then the name of the gym you need to finalize and the logo of the gym. We would strongly advise you to get a trademark registered for the logo as well as for the name. So for both these things you can register a trademark under class 41, which is gym business. So under class 41 you can get the trademark registered. The next point that you have to do is get the Google PIN and Google My Business activated. Once you have finalized the location and finalized the gym name, then you get the Google PIN activated. The next point would be social media handles. You have the gym name ready, then go and initiate all the social media handles. Start with Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and then you can also think of Twitter. And now that we have WhatsApp channel, you can start a channel on WhatsApp as well. So this will help you to create a buzz initially that a gym is coming up in this area. The next important point is the documentation. Now, if you alone are starting a gym, then decide what you want to do. Whether you want a proprietorship, then if partners are there, then decide whether you want partnership or a limited liability partnership like LLP. Decide that, get the firm registered, and then go and initiate the GST registration. Anything like from AC vendors you are paying them, equipment vendors you are paying them, it is very important that you have the GST registration in place so that you can get the input GST credited to your account, which you can use later on. Then Udyog Aadhaar is very important. So Udyog Aadhaar is for all MSMEs. The PAN card also needs to be registered. So all these things are very important. Then a detailed timeline in terms of a Gantt chart. Maybe day-wise, a detailed timeline we need to jot down, which will help us to execute the entire project in a time-bound manner. If there is a time overrun, then obviously you cannot start the gym within time, and then there are cost overruns also that are involved. And also most important thing is you only get 2 months of rent-free period in most of the cases. So you have to make sure that the entire gym is ready well before 2 months.